Mga higala, welcome back to my channel. O karon mga higala mo ato ta sa grocery na pod mga higala. Og si RJ gusto niya mo palit og fireworks kay hapit na ang 4th of July mga higala. So tara mga higala, huyogi mi og mong grocery pod mi. Okay mga higala, let's go. It's bright, the sun again.
I love that.
Love that.
That's where the fireworks is.
We go.
Don't you remember?
Yeah, no.
Mas mini pick up ha. People non-stop.
People love pickuping. Do you use the drive-thru, Daddy?
Yeah, it's closed.
Have nothing there, RJ. Say,
Where go down?
have no fireworks in
down there.
here.
Down where?
Down
Right.
there. Let's go down.
Nope, not that. That's you.
See?
Oh, it's over there. See it?
Oh, up there. There is.
Phantom fireworks.
There is the fireworks store. Where we go here? Okay, we go.
Let's go.
Okay, we park in here. We have a scooter.
Park there. This one.
Yeah, have a scooter.
These phantom fireworks.
You go. Go up. Straighten yourself out.
Okay, there you go. Fireworks store. Okay, we here in the fireworks store, mga higala. There is a fireworks in there. Yeah, they good. I'm looking for fireworks for RJ. Very good. Okay mga higala, paabot ra ko nila diri. Okay. Adun ta ko dito kay video pero naghamang tao noon naabot. So dinhin na lang ko paabot nila. Kasi daghan na. Hanang tao. So dinhin na lang ko paabot. Look at that boat. So big boat ha. So daghanan ang palit og fireworks kay July 2nd na. July 4th is the fireworks show in here. But murag okay ra pud sa balay magpabot if July 4th. Pero na restricted dinhi kay init man gud kayo kuya og nay masunog ba mo nang na restriction. So murag sa bukid-bukid wala siguro yung fireworks sa mga balay-balay kay delikado manggod masunog kay grabe kay init daghang mga sagbot-sagbot. So mo na nga dili tanan sa balay nga mag paboto kay delikado das binagdagko nga mga fireworks ipalit kay kanarang gagmay para ra ni RJ mga puppets, mga small nga pabotong mga higala. So May scooter dito. Dagko nga scooters. There is RJ.
They're having 2 for 1 sale.
So
So,
many
all this was $28. 2 for 1 sale.
Really? What you buy are there?
So, let me tell you.
Poppers.
What?
No, they're not
What
poppets. They're called different. So, you got sparklers.
It's like a pop.
I'll tell you. So, you got sparklers. Two of these. Very loud poppets.
My goodness.
Regular poppets.
Yeah.
Smoke balls. 9. Spinners. Mini spinners.
You have that before.
And then, we have no fireworks left.
Okay.
And then we have 9 more, so we have 18 smoke balls.
My goodness for me.
Then we have mega spinners. Then we have another
Look,
pack
big it out
of these
some.
poppets.
Wow.
And then another one of the
Sabi
mega
ni
spinners.
people there.
And then another one of the super LEDs.
Wow.
And then
Yeah,
one
so
more of the
many.
mini spinners.
Only that.
This is all we got.
Okay. Yeah, let's go now in grocery store. Okay, mga higala, og naabot na mi sa grocery store. Here in Winco again. Okay, hana, go na. Okay, sa mga higala. Og nagpunta sa sulod. Narito. Mayroon ang tao sa sulod para bigyo-bigyo po tagamay. So, naroon ito ang sulod. Ganyan. Bigyan ko this. Yaman ko. Soy food chops. Baka. New York stick. $4.83. Expensive. Chicken. Atoy. Chicken bits. Salsa bulgogi. Salsa. Restaurant style. Medium cut. Mild. July 17th start. For 92 eggs. For 98 on eggs. Yan ang grocery ko. Diri na to sa TV dinner. Yan. TV dinner. Kuha tag-usak ako. like this broccoli and chicken. Okay, magkuha ta diri og tissue. Saan ang tissue? Oh, lapas na nila ito. Nara din tissue. Pagduha ka buhok tissue. Tag $1.18. There you go. It's $3.88. Swedish horn. Gelatin. Hamburger buns, daghang klase. Ganyan kong grocery na halal para sa mga igala, gawas lang tara kay gabiin na. Si Daddy ni ito sa McDonald's. Murag na siguro naabot na sila siguro. Pag maagto po din sa Culver's. So, kaya mga igala, marami na sila. Okay, na sila diri mga higala o butang nataan niya atong grocery diri sa lock, diri sa trunk. Butang ang akong card. Tara na.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Cheeseburger.
Oh, okay.
Single.
What tacos would you like?
Lettuce, tomato, pickle.
All right. Would you like fries and a drink?
No thanks.
Okay. Anything else you said?
Nope.
There is the window to pick. There's Winco. There is mga higala, cheeseburger. So cute the bag. Okay, mga higala. Oh, that's it for today's video and see you next time. Bye bye.